In this session, we will learn about sum in Excel. Everybody knows about how to do sum in Excel, but it is very important to understand some shortcuts, some quick methods so that you can save time and do a productive methods. Let's jump to the example directly. So I have used this example, which is very basic, very simple example, and I have taken some subjects and few students. Okay, these are their marks in a particular semester. Now, the objective of the exercise is to have some of these elements, okay, and using different methods available in Excel. We'll start with which very basic methods where beginners can understand this. We'll move to the better methods and there will be the best method, okay. The ultimate goal of this example is how quickly you can use sum as a function and deliver the result, okay. Now the person who is not completely aware about sum in Excel, okay, how a beginner can use very basic method, very basic formula in Excel. Okay, let's have a look at this. So we can press is equal to sign and let's select numbers one by one and use plus as a symbol here, which is a mathematical symbol, and we can add different numbers. So this is very basic method for a beginner, and yes, we have a sum like 469 for column maths. Okay, now we can use a similar method to add numbers in different cells, and we can do that. For example, let's say to add here, let me select all cells again, and we can press sum and we can complete the numbers. Okay, so there is a sum available. Now it's a time consuming process, but this is very one method to do summation in Excel. If you know the drag function, you can just drag these numbers horizontal and vertical. You will get summation of rows and columns automatically here. Okay, so this is done. Now if I want the total of all this, so I can again use add sales, and again I can do these numbers. Okay, so 1966 is the final total. So this is one way to look at summation or use sum in Excel. Let's move to the next method, which is productive, which is efficient by using formula sum. Okay, so I'm pressing is equal to sign. Now the formula is sum, and if I click on sum, it shows the numbers we want to add. Okay, so let's select all the numbers together, complete the bracket and press enter. You will get the sum. So we use sum as a formula and drag, we will get sum for all the columns. Let's do similar for rows. So I'm using sum function and use different numbers like this. So let me select numbers, adding all the numbers, and I will get my summation. Drag the column and it is available. Okay, to get the total, let me use again sum as a function and adding all the numbers. Yeah, so total is available. So this is one way. This is second way to use sum as a function. Now there is a now let's move to the better level, next level. Okay, what is next level is there are a lot of shortcut formulas available. Let's say if you are not aware about this methodology, if you are not aware about sum as a function, Excel itself gives you an indication how to use different functions. Okay, so what I'm trying to use here is I'm trying to use Alt as a function. Okay, so press Alt. Okay, the moment you press Alt, you can see here there are a lot of shortcuts, alphabets are available. Okay, now we know that sum is nothing but it is a formula. So the shortcut for this formula is M, which is indicated by Excel itself. You need not to remember. I'm pressing M. The moment I pressed M, again the next level of formulas are there. Now I'm interested in auto sum. So U is the letter. Let me press U. The moment you press U, there is next function known as S. And if I press S, you can see here the automatically sum function is available. Okay, let me see if this works here. So again I'm pressing Alt, then M, then U, then S. See, already column selected function is enter, you will get the result. Let me show you again. First, you will see M plus, then auto. I'm pressing U on keyboard, then S. Press S and press enter. Sum is available, and I'm just dragging it down, and it is ready. Okay. Now to have sum of total, so I'm just selecting all cells and using sum formula. So total is available. So this is one way to use sum. It looks like a better way. Now there is one interesting formula available, which is nothing but alt and equal to sum. Just press alt equal to and see what happens here. So I'm pressing alt and now equal to. See, so this is a shortcut key available in Excel, alt equal to, and this gives you summation here. Drag it. Let me press again alt equal to. It has selected cells already and enter. You will get the result. It is available. If I again press in this particular cell alt equal to, it has selected vertical cells and my sum is available 1966. So we learn four different methods here, starting from very basic with the sum formula, here using alt function, different symbols, different alphabets, and finally the very shortcut alt equal to. Okay. Now this is the best method available here. Okay. Now every time you have to select like column, select the cell, use this kind of formulas. If I don't want to get into that and I need a very quick result, I can select this entire table. I'm repeating, select complete table here, okay, and see now what happens. You have to press alt equal to. Just press alt equal to. I'm pressing alt equal to, and yes, it's done. You need not to select individual cell, need not to do anything. Just by pressing alt equal to, you will get the result. Okay, I'm just deleting it. Let me show you again. Select the complete table, press alt equal on your keyboard, and yeah, you can see the result. There is already a result. You will not even follow any of the above methods. So if you learn different shortcuts available in Excel, this is the fantastic way. Be productive, be effective, and use Excel in effective way. I will come up with lot of such shortcut keys in Excel, shortcut formulas in Excel, and you will be very productive with the help of shortcuts. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and learn more about shortcuts in Excel. Thank you.